Have you uploaded video today? Hey God, have you uploaded video on YouTube today? Because with the way the algorithm is going, it is going to be massive if you are still there and you're not creating content. Now listen to this thing. I actually saw a video where white farmers are now looking for farmers that can actually come and work for them, like every single country, right? And now I saw one particular one that actually caught my attention. I've done a full video about that. And I'm going to be uploading it on my other channel where I do upload those kind of content. And this is what I noticed. Like in one of the videos, they said they are going to be paying $11, $11 per hour, $11 per hour. Okay, in one of the video, and I was like, don't tell me that I'm going to be traveling to another man's land to farm for this person, not to just come and do something that I feel like it is very, very easy to do. Farming job. If you are farming in Nigeria, I know how, although definitely I know that their one part of the farming is definitely going to be like, but I know that farming is fun as far as I'm concerned. For $11 per hour. $11 per hour. Basically, I'm doing this video to encourage you out there, right? Yes, there's an advantage that you will go to that country. Most of their visas are visa sponsorship free, where you literally do not have to like pay so much for you to like get your visas, right? Despite the fact that I'm one of the people that I'm so like in for I want to leave this country, I want to leave this country, but I cannot go out of this country to go and farm for that person for $11. Where I have YouTube, I literally make more than $11. Like, I don't understand like why. Like, why do I need to leave my YouTube channel that I'm making over $11 per hour, per 1K view, per 2K views, per 3K views? And then I go to start farming. Like, it's crazy. It's not making sense for me, right? Some persons can actually take that offer. Disclaimers, do not get me wrong. Some persons can take that offer. And I'm not saying that those ones taking that offer, they don't know what to do. They really, really know what to do. But I just want to say something out here. YouTube is one of the most legit source for you to make money from. YouTube is one of the most legit revenue source. I can proudly, boldly tell you that. And I can tell you that if you're working hard on your content, you're focusing on pushing out your content, pushing out your videos, you're not going to be regretting creating content here. So even if you are going there to go and do that kind of job, just start creating content. And if you already have a content, you already have a YouTube channel, and then you're not even uploading, like I wonder why you are not uploading, to be honest. I wonder why you're not uploading. When I saw it, I started laughing. I actually did a video about it, but I started laughing because I was like, just imagine telling Vibration now to come and start doing that for $11 per hour. Guys, now it's not going to make sense now. I'm not going to be the boss on my own. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to see. I'm not going to be the boss on my own. And I love a situation whereby I am the boss. I am the boss. I am ruling what I am ruling. If I don't want to upload, I don't want to upload. You can force me. You can force me. I give an update and I told you guys that we're doing this like giving out food to like those ones like it's actually a foundation, and I'll do a video about it. An Mercy Foundation. I actually attached her channel, so she actually contacted me to help her do it, right? But I have not posted since like I think 2 days now also. I've not been even been consistent this week. You get, but if I calculate what I saw in that video, $11 per hour, and I calculate how much I've been able to earn with the freedom I've been able to get, yes, I might not make up to that particular amount, right? But with the freedom I'm able to get and being a boss of my own, I don't think I'm gonna consider that. So guys, quit looking for another different shortcut for you to make money and start creating content. Content creating pays. YouTube pays. If you have not picked anything from me, right? Pick this particular one that YouTube pays, content creating pays, and trust me, you can make money on this YouTube street. If you are ready to work, you need to work. You need to put in the work. So don't come here and say, "Oh, why am I not making the money? How do I even make?" That is because you don't want to work. If you want to work, you are going to get paid on YouTube. You don't need to start looking for if you're looking for any extra means, you're looking for like Jara to add to your source of income. I look for Jara a lot, but the beautiful part is every single month I get something from this YouTube. So if you have not uploaded videos, you've not even think of uploading videos, or you're still crying, oh, I don't have money, I don't have that. Go and upload videos and thank me later. You will definitely not regret this. Anyways, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to see, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Go and upload videos. You will definitely not regret it. Your YouTube coach, one and only. So. Bye, guys. Mami Gary for my husband.